Hey guys, quick video lang tayo today kasi meron na akong so ang upgrade nito for stage 10 is 67.5k na WN token. Okay, so ginawa ko rin tong video na to kasi sabi dito sa stage 10 merong withdraw button na grade out. So papakita ko sa inyo kung ano to kasi excited din ako and hindi ko alam kung ano talaga siya. So before that, i-launch ko muna to. So meron tayong 88,000. Tapos again, i-launch ko to ng 5 times para makakuha tayo ng full charge dito. But anyway, upgrade na natin para short lang tong video. So 24,000 ang daily earning sa stage 10. So, start checking. So, each launch ko is 6,000, no? So, launch natin siya. And, check natin yung withdraw button. Kung ano ba yun. Sabi dito, withdraw rewards. Lagay ko lang yung email ko. Okay, so you're on the wait list. Hindi ko alam kung ano yan. Pero click natin kung ilan yung okay, so next yung stage 11 ko is 105k na WN, pero meron akong referral reward na 41,000. So konti na lang yung kailangan natin for that. Anyway guys, if you want to join, punta lang kayo dito sa aking bio and itong first link na links.dnet.app. Click nyo lang yan and then it will take you to App Store para i-download ang DNet na app, and then from there register lang kayo para start kayo makapag-ipon ng inyong rewards. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.